Jai Bhole guys, I hope everybody is doing well and are in best of health. Welcome to my channel Triambaka Tarot Readings. My name is Jasmine. For today's reading, the topic is a question that you will ask in your mind, to which I can answer you in a simple yes or no, along with the divine guidance of course, and a miracle message and a suggestion card as well in the end. For people who are new in my channel, how you select your reading is I'm going to show you a few crystals. You have to choose one of them, and that particular reading is going to be for you. Also, the same video with the same reading is going to be in the Hindi version as well. That description is going to be somewhere here on top. You can click on that in case you're not comfortable listening to the reading in English. Without further ado, let's start with the session today. The choices that we have are 1, 2 and 3. I'll give you guys a moment to choose. Let's begin with the people who have chosen the first crystal. Please keep a question in your mind, and your answer is a very pretty yes. You have been kind of confused, thinking a lot whether to be doing this or not. Whatever question that you are asking here, it's going to be something that you have asked, something which is going to be talking about what you had experienced before, the happiness before that you had experienced, and it's going to be very soon. Your hard work is going to pay off. Maybe there's going to be a celebration about this, whatever you have asked. You're going to be happy, there's going to be gathering, and your hard work is going to finally pay off. Your answer is a bang on yes. Your divine message here is ascension. I'll show you card in a minute. Move into your true self, rise above the darkness, the light is here. As you can see, there's a lot of golden there. Gold always talks about a prized possession. This means that you are going to access, you're going to have an access of everything that you were wanting. Your hard work is going to pay off. You will be given that appreciation as well, and you'll feel that this is what I was capable of and this is what I was wanting since so long, and you're finally going to achieve it. Your miracle message is my positive energy leaves a powerful impression on the world. Now this message says a lot. If you have been really working hard, and this pandemic times, as people have been really feeling stuck and feeling kind of helpless in what to do, where to go, and how to move on very nicely in life, as far as the finance is concerned also, you have been really probably making people feel that wow, I need to be like this person. You have been giving your impression as such around people that this person is really working hard, no matter ups or downs in life. This person has been really stagnant and stable with their energy. You are really giving a lot of hope to people as to how to stay in control. And your suggestion card here is 2 of Wands. That says very soon you're going to be moving into whatever you wanted. As the card very much suggested, you're going to achieve what you want. You're going to get a little emotional as well in this time, and you will finally take a decision of being where you want to be. That's your suggestion card. That was the first group. The second group of people who have chosen this crystal, please put your question in your mind, and your answer is... Your answer is also a yes. You're going to get your power back. You were really wanting to get that stability. You were wanting to get your true form back in life. It's going to happen very soon. You've really tried a lot to balance yourself with love and to have that power, both of them. But in order to achieve wherever your question is going and your answer is coming yes, you have been wanting to give love, and you have been wanting to keep your ego intact as well. You will have to get rid of one to achieve whatever you are asking here. I hope you're understanding. So your answer is a yes. Your divine message here is Radha, Soul Flame. I'll just show you the card. Rediscover a lost part of yourself. Experience relationship harmony and healing. It's a very beautiful card. The colors are very beautiful. The card simply talks about reconnecting with your soul, not only a soul flame as in a soul partner that you were looking for. You're going to get back in power. You're going to get back in your true form. You're going to understand where you were going wrong and where you were supposed to give in your full potential. You're going to rediscover yourself. Let's say you have really turned off something, as there were a choice in the cards also that was saying that probably you'll have to take a choice whether to give in emotionally or whether to stay in your egoistic form. Ego here doesn't stand in a negative way, of course. It stands in a place where you really have to take your stand. You really have to put your step down, your foot down, to be able to achieve whatever you're looking for. That's what it's saying here. And you're going to feel, this is what what was I doing all this while? You probably lost a part of your soul in order to achieve whatever it is that you were wanting. But now it's time to take a step back and realize that that wasn't me. I am capable of doing a lot more. Your miracle message here is, I dish out compliments sincerely and liberally. It's a very beautiful and a cute message. If people are really complimenting you, stuffs like this goes vice versa. You should appreciate people who have helped you in this time, whatever you were going through. Or maybe you were not going through anything stupid or silly or bad, but people who were really standing by you. Open your heart out and compliment them for being there for you. And same goes for you. If someone is really complimenting you right now, they really will mean it, that you have really probably handled the situation in your life very well. Your suggestion card is Three of Cups. Now this card says simply, just enjoy the moment. Be with your friends, your family, and just enjoy. Three of Cups is like, fulfill yourself emotionally. Maybe this is for people who were trying to find emotional happiness somewhere else outside their family, their loved ones, in blood relations or friendships. Try and regain that balance by finding that love with the people who are really close to you instead of finding it somewhere else. Maybe that wasn't meant for you. That was the reason for the second group. People who have chosen this crystal, the third group, please put forth your question in your mind. Your answer is also a yes. Everybody's answer is a yes today. Alright, but here your answer is coming as if you have been really wanting to make a move in life, or probably you were stagnant somewhere and you were just simply waiting for things to happen. And it will happen. The answer is coming a yes, but you really need to be careful about, you will not like it also, you're not going to be very happy about it also, but it's time that you need to handle things as they are. That's the answer. Your answer is a yes anyway. Your your divine message here is the Holy Spirit. Expect miracles. Remember that only love is real. Miracle will occur naturally. Spirit has your back. That is why it was saying that you might not like what's going to happen. Why I said this? Because of this card. You will be given happiness somehow, but you will have to tell yourself that it's okay. Probably things could have been worse. You'll have to really think like that, and you'll have to have that gratitude, because the card is very beautiful. Here it says expect miracles. If you're thinking, oh, I'm not liking this, I wish it could have been, really wish, work for it, you might just end up achieving whatever it is that you're aiming for. Your miracle messages, my eyes will see what I desire. I had just explained it right now, that don't just think sad that, oh my god, this didn't happen, I wish it could have happened. If you really would wish, if you really are wishing, work for it, you will achieve it. That's what the miracle card says here. Your suggestion card is Knight of Cups. This card usually says, if you take a look at the card very clearly, this guy is holding the reins himself. The horse is ready to move, but the reins are in your hands. Don't stop your capability. Don't stop your caliber. Don't stop what you're capable of achieving. It's all in here. It's all in what you do. If you really want to achieve, you will achieve. That's why this card has said, my eyes will see what I desire. So if you're really desiring it, you really need to work for it. So I hope that's the reading for today. There'll be another reading, of course, after this. I'll be loading 2 videos, as I said, a Hindi and an English version, the one which you're watching right now. the next video is going to be talking about the long one. I think in my live chats one of the clients was saying that what is the purpose of our life. It's going to be a pretty long video, but I'm going to make that now after this. So let's hope you will like that as well. I hope you all like this reading. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the videos. It really does help a lot. It does count. Every bit counts. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, in the description box there's a link that'll take you there directly. Please follow me there as well, because I post kind of love videos for Shiva. I love him. And daily messages from the divine and inspirational messages as well. I hope you liked my reading. Till the next time, take care, stay blessed. Jai Bhole.